For over a decade, SwellPro has taken flight where few dare to go. Across open seas, through storms and tides, refining every detail of waterborne mission. Now, the 5th generation arrives, the SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise, engineered for the extremes and for missions beyond one purpose. A fully waterproof, multi-sensor platform, SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise built to master the elements and redefine aerial missions at sea. When weather turns rough, the SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise stands ready. From deck or open water, one tap, and it takes off. Built with SwellPro's Sea Shield full body protection, the SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise resists salt, spray, and corrosion. Even after capsizing, Power Flip brings it back. It rights itself and lifts again, making the ocean its second runway. With the all-new G03H and G-Series cameras, SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise captures the ocean in unmatched clarity. Armed with 48-megapixel imaging and 4K 60 FPS video, it turns every frame into solid visual proof. When distance becomes critical, the G05 Zoom ranging waterproof camera steps in, offering up to 160 times magnification for distant details, plus a 1,200-meter laser to pinpoint coordinates. And when night falls or visibility fades, the G04 thermal ranging waterproof camera reveals what eyes can't, detecting heat, motion, and life. Its upgraded transmission now extends range by 40%, delivering a stable 7-kilometer HD live feed straight to command. Whether carrying supplies or saving lives, the SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise delivers stability in motion, lifting up to 2 kilograms with surgical precision. With dynamic return positioning, SplashDrone 4 Plus Enterprise tracks, hovers, and lands safely, even on a moving vessel. And when missions stretch longer, the new IB4 Plus Smart Battery keeps the pace, delivering 29 minutes of flight time and swapping in just a few seconds to keep operations non-stop. Through the SD Fly 3 app, pilots can plan routes, automate operations, and oversee complex tasks all with a single touch. With SwellPro, you define the future of maritime flight. Multitask in extremes. Excel in Splash.